Hello, this your boy Miguel from the mobilemechanic 757. Just to give you a quick tip, I'm doing a pre-purchase used car inspection for military personnel on a Dodge 1500 Ram. One of the ways to know about your battery, look for the sticker. The sticker says in January 2021 this battery was actually physically made. That means this battery has about 3 years on it, so at any time it can go out. Batteries are extremely expensive, so if someone's selling a vehicle, look at the battery right there. We're going to be testing the battery, but it's coming to the end of its life. They don't make batteries that last 3, 4, or 5 years, not anymore, since COVID. With that being said, this gentleman's going to be buying a new battery within the next 6 months. This is just a mechanic tip. Always look for that sticker, and if you are buying one from the store, look at the sticker and ask them to give you the one that's the freshest off the shelf, not the ones that's been sitting around. You do not want a battery that's been sitting around. You want it to be almost less than a month old on the shelf. This is just a mechanic tip because I want to help you guys. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.